Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? Welcome back. My name is Hussein and I'm Forex Optimum Broker Financial Analyst. Markets are finishing the week on a positive note with S&P 500 Roar Market Index renewed its all-time highs at 4100 points. Other stocks indices are rising too as Nasdaq gained 2% and Dow Jones Industrial Average gained over 0.8%. But the positive mood is just limited to stock markets while others are seen reluctant. Brent crude prices are struggling around $63 per barrel and may plunge any time soon. The US dollar is mixed with G7 currencies baskets, although it should rather weaken as stocks are rallying. The yields on US 10-year treasuries are going down and should support positive sentiment in the market. But together with rising gold prices and strengthening Japanese yen, such markets are seen slightly overwhelmed. Just as if investors are rushing from risky assets to safe haven instruments and US stock market is running on initra. And all this is happening just before corporate report season, right? So next week US banks are starting the season with promising strong results. What will be the reaction of the stock market on these reports is very much unclear. So far, no new macroeconomic signals for the stock market rally were seen this week. PMI reading in G7 countries are rising, and it could be a euphoria of purchase managers driven by vaccination process and stimulus measures globally. If you look at the macroeconomic data in Japan, household spending in February are down by 6.6% versus 6.1% a month before. Unemployment level in Eurozone remains the same at 8.3% despite positive expectations. FOMC minutes published this week showed no information and there is nothing more left this week to boost market volatility. March PPI readings in the US are expected to rise by 3.8% versus 2.28% in February. But this information is already priced in. The S&P 500 Broad Market Index may try to make another upside movement to 4110 points, but this would be its maximum limit this week. Crude oil performed consolidation as Brent crude prices are squeezed between the support level at $62.50 per barrel and the resistance at $63.7 per barrel. Crude reserves data this week were positive for the prices as EIA recorded a decline of crude reserves by 3.5 million barrels, well above expected 1.4 million barrels. However, overall market uncertainty and rumors of negotiations over Iran nuclear deal curb prices. Gold prices rose above $1,700.50 per ounce, breaking through the upper margin of the wide trading range that was seen recently for quite a long period. Prices are supported by declining yields on US treasuries, with a 10-year yield bond declining to 1.62%. US-Russia tensions over Ukraine is also waving support for gold. Nevertheless, gold prices need to consolidate above $1,700.50 per ounce to climb further. Currencies are mixed as the Euro USD is close to its resistance level at 1.1940, where sell positions would be interesting to open with the target at 1.1530. The GBP USD has already bounced from the resistance level at 1.3920 and may return to the level seen at beginning of the week at 1.3740, with a prospective do fall to 1.3510. The USD JPY plunged to 109 and is likely to continue its slide towards its support level at 106.50. That's all for the week and that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great weekend ahead and bye bye.